Let's go. Ready? Good job. Wow. Frank is a plumber. You know this guy
Right here.
in Nicaragua.
Ready? Dr. Alex, how are you, sir?
Finally, my dream come true. Almost done. The end, 6-inch pipe. Here we had a hole, so we had to put temporary support. Tomorrow they'll backfill this hole, some kind of pond. 6-inch, but it's so crazy because it's clay. It's so hard to dig over here. Done? Done? That's it. Backfilling, guys. Compacting and backfilling. Good job.